Your feminine traits can do amazing things for you if only you know how to use them. You can be one of those girls that seem to bat their eyelashes and make guys go weak in their knees. All you need is to learn how to harness the power of your natural feminine gambits and unleash them. Now, hidden within every girl is the ability to seduce any guy and make him yours. Some women just haven't learned how to use them properly. Trust me, if you call out your inner vixen to the surface, you will possess all the mojo necessary to use your feminine vibes to capture the man of your dreams. You just have to know how to harvest your sensuality and make it work for you. Hey beautiful people, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be talking about how to unleash your inner vixen and hook the man of your dreams. Before I start, please subscribe to my channel if you're yet to, and do not forget to turn on post notification. The first thing is to use your soft touch. Try to touch him lightly and sensually. You basically need to be obvious in your intention, but very unobvious, to the point where you can simply brush it off as a joke if called out on it. Number 2 is to be highly empathetic. Be highly empathetic to his feelings and moods. Try to express unconditional love and acceptance for him in every way. Talk to him like you understand his innermost feelings, even if he can't express them. The key is to make him feel like you get him, and only then he will feel like he has a cheerleader on his side who makes him feel like he can move a mountain every single second of the day. And when a guy feels like that, he can't break himself away from that girl. Number 3 is to be nurturing. You see, inside of every man, there's a deep admiration and love for his mother, an innate feeling. Part of using your feminine vibes isn't about mothering him, but about being the nurturing side his mother showed him when he was young. Brushing the hair from his eyes, giving him a back rub, or making soup when he isn't feeling well. All are ways to use your feminine vibes to lure him in and keep him close. Number 4 is to smell good. You see, the heart of femininity is the way a woman smells. Pheromones are real and they are everything to lust and desire. Make sure that you aren't the girl that comes from the gym sweaty and smelly like a locker room. Instead, be the woman who smells like seduction to get any guy. Of course, if you get it right, he will do more than just look at you. Number 5 is to work elegantly. A woman using her feminine vibes doesn't work on the heels of her feet. She gently floats around. To catch a guy, you should exude femininity by walking like you float on air. Make every moment you make flowing and sensual. And it's actually easier than you think. Just keep your heel lifted slightly and walk softly. You can do this in any shoes, but it's best to avoid wearing chunky boots because they encourage you to clump around. In this case, practice makes perfect. Number 6 is to be sultry and show your naughty side. This means wearing red high heels with spikes and other things that signal to him that you know how to make him feel good in bed. A woman who looks like she knows how to be a little naughty piques any guy's imagination and interest. Number 7 is to use your assets. Use the gifts that God gave you. If you have a Brazilian butt, show it off with some tight pants. If you're well endowed, wear low cut and revealing shirts. The key is not to give too much, but just enough to leave him dreaming of what you look like without clothes for when he wins you over. Basically, show off what you were given and do it in a way that makes you feel confident and sexy. But if you feel awkward doing this, then it's not going to work for you. Number 8 is to speak with your eyes. Eye contact is one of the most important parts of using your feminine vibes. When a man speaks to you, never take your gaze from his. A woman who looks a man in the eyes while he speaks makes him feel vulnerable, almost like looking into the sun. When you stare into his gaze, it's like your heart speaks to him telepathically. Number 9 is to wear girly girl stuff, even if you're more of the lowrider jean type. If you want to win a guy, mix it up and be just a little out of character sometimes. A lot of pastels, lace, and fishnet stockings might not be your thing, but they certainly are the things that grab his attention and make him see you in a whole new light. You don't have to do this all the time, but an occasional change of style might be all it takes to turn his attention towards you in curiosity. So paint your nails bright red. You see, painted red nails are very sensual sign to any guy. There's something about a woman who takes good care of herself, including her nails, which turns a guy on. Bright red makes him believe that you're red hot in bed. It also shows that you like to take care of yourself, which is always super attractive, while also giving you confidence. Number 10 is to use your pouty lip. The pouty lip look is key to using your feminine vibes. Plump lips that flash with a glossy appearance. Get any guy dreaming about where those lips will go next. The lips are a super sexy part of the body, and simply biting your lip while he's talking will draw his attention to them. He won't be able to stop thinking about kissing you. Number 11 is to speak softly even if you tend to be louder. So when using your feminine voice, tone it down a bit and speak with a softer tone, almost like perpetually whispering in his ear. When you lower your voice and make it breathier, it's almost like the sounds you make when you're all alone, like just the two of you in bed. Number 12 is to appear pleased. Men like to feel as if they can impress the woman around them. If you want to show a guy your feminine vibes, make sure that you always look pleased when you're around him. There's nothing less feminine than the resting bee face. Even if you aren't highly entertained all the time, don't let him know that. It also makes you look super unapproachable, and that's not what you're going for. Number 13 is to be mysterious. You see, a woman who keeps herself to herself is a highly attractive thing. Guys like a girl with a little mystery about her. So catch the guy of your dreams. Don't overtalk or give too much information or tell him what you think. Well, you don't have to be evasive. You just have to leave a little bit out. Then you can make use of those feminine vibes in a very effective way. Number 14 is to be ladylike. No swearing or sitting spread ego. To make an impression and show that you're full of feminine energy, make sure to use your manners. Be sophisticated and leave the sailors talk for the sailors. That doesn't mean you have to sit and watch your P's and Q's at all times. You just shouldn't be cussing like a sailor for the sake of it. Number 15 is to be dainty. Don't do too much of anything. If you want to show your feminine vibes, sip your drink, take small bites, and be highly reserved about anything excessive. To seduce him, show restraint. It shows him that you can be the girl next door or the freak in the bed, both of which men highly desire. So show your feminine vibes, but don't change who you are. Feminine vibes are the things that make women women. We all have them, but that doesn't mean that we all know how to use them to our advantage. But that also doesn't mean you should go out of your way to change who you are. It's about polishing the edges, if you will. Thanks for watching to the end. Please subscribe to my channel if you're yet so, and do not forget to turn on post notification.